Example 5 says to graph the functions f of x equals 2x and g of x equals 2x minus 3 in the same rectangular coordinate system. Select integers for x starting with -2 and ending with +2. Alright, so let's first graph f of x, which is 2x. So let's make a table. So we have x and y, but we know this is also 2x because that's what they told us. And it said to select integers of x from -2 to +2. So -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. How am I going to find the y value if I know the x value? Plug it in, right? So I know that this first one is going to be 2 times x. What is x?
-2.
2 times -2 is?
-4.
So I have the ordered pair there, -2, -4. So I'm going to plug in the -1. So 2 times -1, which is?
That would be a -2.
Then plug in the 0. So 2 times 0. And then plug in the 1, so 2 times 1.
2 times 1 is 2.
And then plug in the 2, so 2 times 2. Alright, and let's go ahead and graph those ordered pairs. Now remember, you do your x, and then you go for your y. So my first ordered pair there is -2, -4. So from the origin, I'm going to go left 2 and down 4. Then I go back to the origin, which is that center point, right? And I'm going to go -1, -2. So left 1, down 2. Go back to the origin, 0, 0. So I'm not going to go anywhere. And then 1, 2. So go to the right 1, up 2. And 2, 4. So go to the right 2, up 4. And it should appear to make a straight line, correct? And then we're going to play connect the dots, so we're going to draw our line. And I'm going to label this. This is f of x. Alright, so now that we got f of x done, we've got to go back and graph g of x. G of x is equal to 2x minus 3, so I'm going to make a table. I'm actually going to do this table below the other one because I may need some room to do a little work on it. Again, -2 to +2. Remember, this time we're doing 2x minus 3, aren't we? So it's the same idea for this first number. It's going to be 2 times my x minus 3. I just made myself a skeleton. And we're going to plug in that first x value, which is -2. Going to do a little work here. What's 2 times -2? 4 minus 3, which is? And so that's what I'm going to put up there. So it gave me the ordered pair -2, -7. Then for my second one, it's still 2x minus 3. We're going to plug in the -1. What's 2 times -1? And then minus 3, which is? And we're going to keep going here. Oops. So we got 2 x. So we're going to plug in 0. So we get 0 minus 3, which is? Alright, and y'all go ahead and finish up those last two. Alright, so we got our table finished, so now let's go ahead and plot our points. So my first one is at -2, -7. So from the origin, go left 2, down 7. And then negative 1, negative 5. So left 1, down 5. 0, negative 3. So don't go left or right any, but just go down 3 from the origin. 1, negative 1. So go right 1, down 1. And then 2, 1. So go right 2, up 1. And then let's play connect the dot.
They're parallels.
And make sure you label that as your g of x.